Hey everyone, this is James coming to you from the 10-Minute Trader, and money makes life easier. What we're going to do today is quickly show you how we're going to use the dividend calculators. Okay, now I have a list of stocks right here called the Dividend Challenges. 160 companies that have consistently increased their dividend payouts to their investors for a minimum of 25 years. That's right, 25 years of consistently increasing their dividends. Some of these companies you may know off the top of your head. Some of them you may never even heard of. There's some companies I've never even heard of. However, they still made the list and they're still paying out dividends 25 years or more. Okay, so we're going to take this list, we're going to import it into our dividend calculator, which I've already done to make this a little bit quicker, and find out how they rate, how my software rates these companies. Now, the first two, as you can see, 100% here and 100% there. Great, love it. However, they have no options available. Now, I like trading options only because if the stock goes down and I end up holding it longer than I want to, I like to have options to be able to sell and create some cash flow from the option premiums, which is a little bit more complicated process. But for now, let's just stick to the ones that have the options. Now, STON, it has a 97% rating here and a 97% rating on this one, which is great, and it has options. So we're going to quickly look at that one. We're going to put it into our calendar to find out when it trades, to just give you a brief idea of what the history was. Where is it? Come on. Okay, we'll put in just plain old STON. Whoops, it helps if I spell it right. STON. And go. This is going to tell me when the stock trades. Okay, January, February, May, August, October, November. Now, usually only trades 4 times a year. This right here is usually when it's at the end of the month or the beginning of the month. Some months it would be in January, some months it would be in February. So that's once, twice, 3 times, and here 4 times. The exact same thing. October, November. That's when it's the end of the month, the beginning of the month. Sometimes over the 10-year period, it falls into either month. So it just gives us a rough idea. So January, looking at the 29th. So let's quickly look at STON on the 29th of January. Now, I do hope you know how to read a chart, because basically put, you have 3 lines here. One going vertical, right there, and 2 going horizontal. One to the left is the opening price of the day, and the one to the right is the closing price of the day. Okay, the top of this line right here is the high of the day, and the bottom line right there is the low of the day. So you take any day, this day right here, see the dates are down here, is the 15th. Okay, and this is the 16th, the 17th, so on and so forth. Every day has a opening, line to the left, a close, line to the right, a high of the day, and a low of the day. Okay, so there's 4 numbers. Okay, so it was the 29th. Here's the 29th right here, this date right here. Okay, the high of the day is right there. See these numbers over here? This gives you, this is the price. Right there, you move it up and down, it gives you the price. So the opening of the day was $24.97. The close of the day was $24.64. High of the day being $25.28, and the low of the day being $24.64. Okay, so if you've been following me, you know that I like to buy 10 days prior to the EX date. And the EX date's right here. So 10 days is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Right here. So basically, I would have gotten in. I always buy at the open. This way I can put my trades on the night before and not have to worry about it. I don't have to stare at the computer. I don't have to follow the computer. I don't have to do anything. Put my trades on the night before. The opening for 10 days prior to the EX date was $23.49. Okay, now I have a preset profit of 2.5%. So as soon as this moves up 2.5%, I'm out. So just for the fun of it, let's open up our calculator. And we said the opening was $23.49. So $23.49, and I multiply by 1.5%. 24.025. My goal would be 24.07. Okay, so let's take a look and see how long 24.07 was. Now keep your number right here, because this is right here is the high of the day. So we're looking for 24.07, or you can look over here. So 24.07 was not there, 23.99, and there you go. So that's, I buy it here, hold, out. Oops, let's get rid of this. So 1, 2, 3, 4 days in January, and then out with my 2.5% profit. Okay, so let's look at the next date. The next date was May 3rd. Okay, so let's look at May 3rd. Down there. April, May 3rd. You're in my way. May 3rd is 5, right? There we go. So May 3rd is right here. January, February, March, April, May, 5-3. And we have about 10 days prior to the 3rd. One more. Okay. 3rd's right here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, here we go. 10 days prior to. It the opening was 27.37. I calculator. 27.37 multiply 1.025 equals 28.05. So how many days for 28.05? Okay. Is that right? 25.37. Let's clear that. 25.37 multiply 1.025. 26. Oh, my math was wrong. Sorry. So 26. So day 1. Remember, I get in at the opening, which is right here. Opening bell. Boom. I'm into my position. High of the day is 26. Well, 2 days. I'm out. Boom, boom. 2 days. Make my profit. Okay, so let's look back at the next one. So we made money in January. We made money in May. Let's look at August. August 2nd. August 2nd is January, March, April, May, June, July, August. 8th month. That's terrible. I have to count. Okay, August 2nd is right here. Okay, back to my 10 days. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And here we go. The opening of the day for August 2nd was 25.76. 25.76 multiplied by 1.025. And my goal is 26.40. Okay, 26.40. And high of the day here was 25.92. High of the day here is 26.21. High of the day here, 26.31. No. And there we go, 26.49. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. So we have 3 days, 2 days, 5 days. Now let's look at the very last one. The very last one that just had was This would be October of last year, because October's not here yet. So 25th. August. Oh yeah, right here's the 1st, July, August, September. Yeah. August 1st was the last one they had. Okay, so let's look at that one. There it is, right there. Like I said, we just looked at that one. Oh, this would be last year's. Okay, this one right here, October. This will be last year's because October is not here yet. October 25th of last year. So let's get this out of here. October 25th of last year. We take this all the way up to the front. October will be 10/25th. And here's the 25th right here. See, 10/25 right there. Okay. 10 days prior to. Do I really even need to look at this one? But I'm going to do it just for the fun of it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, here we go. Opening for October 25th 5th EX date, 10 days prior to, is 2344. Quickly, 344, 2344. Multiply 1.025 equals. So it's 2402. Okay, so we're getting in right here. So that's day 1, day 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The high of that day is 2390. 7. All right, about the 7th day. Anyway, quickly, that's simple enough for you. I'm pretty sure you can understand that. So anyway, this is James from the 10-Minute Trade. As you see how we do it. This is how we do it. Okay, anyway, this is James from the 10-Minute Trader. Money makes life easier. Just showing you quickly how we use the dividend stocks in order to use our dividend calculators and our dividend calendar in order to find out when the best time to buy a stock is. And that one's a good one. STON. And this we have dozens and dozens. We actually have 160 companies on the dividend contenders list. This is the contenders? No, this is the dividend challengers. 160 companies paying increased dividends for over 25 years. Okay? Anyway, this is great. This is James. I'm signing out now. Y'all have a great day and happy trading.